Mag-vocalization muna tayo, guys, ha? Welcome back sa ating channel. So for today's video, I'm very excited and at the same time, it's very nerve-wracking for me yung video na gagawin natin today. Kasi, dumating na yung time, guys. A couple of weeks ago, may dalawa sa ating subscribers, Lohan Pasadas, and if I'm not mistaken, Cactus PH, request sila na gumawa daw ako ng cover ng song. So, tinanong ko sila guys kung bakit nila naisip na magaling akong kumanta kasi why are they requesting me to cover a song? Sabi ng isa guys, kasi naririnig daw niya ako na kumakanta ng nursery rhymes para kay Paris. And I said, hanggang nursery rhymes lang talaga ang kaya ng boses ko. Hindi ko talaga kayang mag-cover-cover ng mga ganyan. Pero guys, kasi nga, mahal ko kayo. Diba? So, diba sabi ko sa mga videos ko, if you have any suggestions, if you have any requests, let me know sa comment section below and we'll see if we can do that. Oh, ayan na nga guys. Ayan na nga. Nag-request na nga kayo. Kaya pagbibigyan ko kayo ngayon. Ngayon lang naman guys ha. And I don't think na meron pang kasunod nito guys. Kasi alam nyo naman baka masira ang screen ng inyong mga cellphone at mga laptop at mga TV guys pag nagkanta ako. Pag kumanta na ako. So, kayong mga nag-request, pag kumanta ako and nahulog ang mga talo-to, don't blame me, guys, ha? I'm telling you na, don't blame me pag nangyari yan. So, since na LSS pa naman ako ng Crash Landing on You, guys, na mga kanta. So, sino sa inyo dyan yung mga nakapanood ng Crash Landing on You? Ang tagal kong naka-move on after kong napanood yung K-drama na yan, guys. Sino ba sa inyo pataas ang mga paa? Kung sino ang nakapanood ng Crash Landing on You. So, guys, I actually watched it maybe a couple of months ago now. But, I still remember, guys, pagkatapos kong manood talaga nun, I was going crazy about the music. Pagkatapos kong manood, lahat ng mga video sa YouTube ni Yoon Siri at saka ni Ri Jong Hook. Ano pangalan niya, guys? Ri Jong Hook. Anyways, whatever. Pinanood ko lahat sa YouTube, guys. And also, kahit nasasakyan ako, piniplay ko sa aking Spotify ang mga Korean songs. Ayan. So, nabuang talaga si ate nyo sa K-drama. Nung nag-check ako sa YouTube, guys, ng mga kanta ng Crash Landing on You, I stumbled upon the channel of Mary Ann Topacio. So, yung mga kanta niya, guys, mostly ay yung mga Korean, pero translate niya into Tagalog or English. Isa sa pinaka nagustuhan ko talaga, guys, is yung English version niya ng Flower. And, guys, God knows how many times I clicked that play button, guys. Like, rest in peace talaga ang play button ni ate. Sobra talaga guys ang pagka-addict ko ng music na yon. To the point na kahit si Mike dito sa bahay ay kinakanta na rin niya. Kasi always niya akong naririnig na kinakanta ko yung song na yun guys. So yun yung gagawin natin today. Hopefully hindi ko i-murder ang kanyang kanta. So sorry naman po Miss Mary Ann Topacio kung ma-murder ko. But I'm doing my best and I'm just doing the request ng ating mga mahal na subscribers para masiyahan kayo or masisiyahan ba kayo nito o baka magalit kayo sa akin kasi nagpataka lang ako ng kanta dito. Yung English version lang ating gagawin guys kasi hindi naman tayo marunong mag-pronounce ng mga Korean. So English lang ang ating gagawin guys. Alam niyo guys, ang alam ko lang na Korean is anong sayo. Oh, 'di ba? Anong sayo. Kamsahamnida. Oh, 'di ba? Alam ko yung mga ganyan, guys, kasi nagpapagawa ako ng hair ko before sa mga Korean. Pero meron akong isa, guys, na very hanip talaga. Napanood ko to siya, guys, sa Instagram and it's from Voice Over Flowers. Meron din siyang YouTube channel. I am a big fan of hers. Paano daw sabihin sa Korean yung gusto mo gatas sa baso. Ganito lang pala yun, guys. Gusto mo gatas sa baso? Oh, diba? Parang Korean lang, guys, no? Bongga. Sobrang natawa talaga ako, guys. And I was very impressed, guys, kasi Yung matataba lang talaga yung utak ang nakakaalam ng mga ganyan. Gusto mo gatas sa baso? Gusto mo gatas sa baso? Oh, kasi di ba yung mga Korean guys, yung mga boses nila parang they're asking questions all the time. So guys, let's start na kasi maghahating gabi na, char. Let's start na guys. Yung gagawin ko pala, nandito ako sa beauty room. So, I'll go to the bathroom. Hindi naman tayo singer talaga guys. So, wala tayong mga microphone na mga ganyan, wala. So, first time ko talagang kumanta sa harap ng camera at i-upload ko sa YouTube. So, good luck sa akin, sa mga subscribers na nag-request nito. Sana masiyahan kayo and make sure na i-like niyo yung video na to. Kasi gagawin ko ito para sa inyo kasi mahal na mahal ko kayo. So, ayan guys, nandito na tayo sa bathroom. And kung maririnig nyo, meron ng mga echo-echo ang ating boses. So, hopefully, hindi gumuho yung bahay. Ang tagal ko talagang pinag-isipan guys kung gagawin ko talaga to. Kung kaya ko ba talagang ipahiya ang aking sarili. Pero since nandito na naman tayo, and naisipan ko rin guys, kasi wala si Paris at si Mike dito. Kaya, nag-iisa lang tayo dito sa bahay. Pag gumuho yung bahay guys, ako lang mag-isa. Safe yung pamilya ko. Anyways, joke-joke lang yan siya, guys. But kidding aside, gagawin ko na nga. Kasi nga, mahal na mahal ko kayo and sana magustuhan nyo ang ating cover. Basta guys, ha, kung mga tagak na mga taluto sa inyong balay, wag nyo akong i-blame. Hala, nakakatakot na pala kahit ganito, guys, no? Yung heart ko ba is nagkuba-kuba. Nakakatakot pala pag ganito lang. Nandito lang ako sa CR, tapos sa harap ng camera ko. Paano na lang kaya kung nasa stage, no? Salute talaga sa mga singers, guys. Hala, oy, nabubuang na talaga ako. Hindi ko na alam. Gagawin ko ba to, guys? Gagawin ko ba to? Gagawin ko to, guys. Or libre bash. Bahala na kayo dyan, guys, ha. Mag-adjust sa aking boses. Okay. Without further ado, let's do this. Mag-vocalization muna tayo, guys, ha. Uy, bongga. Very professional lang yung ate dito na kumakanta. Okay, guys. I've got my microphone with me. Ayan. I'm ready to rock and roll. Are you ready, guys? On this path that I am taking, I see you, a flower blooming so small. Looked at your eyes, I can't deny, but my heart is shaking now. Will you fall when it pours? Or will you freeze when it snows? I am worried about you, and I am worried about you. Ooh. Fancy words I'm not, but here I'll tell you once, words I never said from my heart. My heart has always been yours alone. My worries have been about you all along. Always your way. To you I will go. If this is joy I feel, it's all because right next to me I see you. Always, never forget, I'll stay here with you too. You were brought to me one day. Oh, but when you found my way, you planted deep within my heart the seed that you'd think of love. Ooh, every single day, when you will shine my light, give for you all the way, and water your love in my heart. My heart has always been yours alone. My worries have been about you all along. Always your way. To you I will go. If this is joy I feel, it's all because right next to me I see you. Always, Never forget, I'll stay here with you too. I'm afraid that one day, without me you wilt away. But never will I leave your side. Ooh, but when the one day comes, and the flower starts to fade, and the moment I am here with you, I stay. My heart has always been yours alone. My worries have been about you all along. Always your way. To you I will go. If this is joy I feel, it's all because right next to me I see is you. Always. Never forget, I'll stay here with you too. Managit siya, guys! Oh my God! Guys, oh, tumulo ang aking luha, guys. Kasi hindi ako makapaniwala, guys, ba, na ginagawa ko to. Kasi hindi talaga ako makanta, guys. For the sake of my mahal na mga subscribers, ginawa ko talaga, guys. So, hopefully nagustuhan niyo yun, guys. And sana naman, hindi ito yung huling panonood niyo sa aking vlog. Thank you very much, Lohan Pasadas and Sis Cactus PH, sa inyong pag-request. And again, kahit hindi talaga ako marunong, guys, pero kasi nag-request kayo, ginawa ko. And sana nagustuhan niyo yun. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and also hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family. And I hope to see you all guys in the next one. Don't forget to be good, and if you can, be careful. Bye!